Hello, dear students, and welcome back once again for Menu Knowledge Part 4. So let's have a revision once again. The French classical sequence is as follows: hors d'oeuvres, potage, oeuf, farinaud, poisson, entrée, sorbet, relève, rôti, légumes, salade, buffet froid, fromage, entremets, savory, dessert, and beverages. So far we have seen what is an hors d'oeuvre, what is a potage, what is a oeuf, farinaud, poisson, entrée, and sorbet. In this session, we will talk about relève, roti, legume, and salad course. So, what is a relève? Well, relève, it is served as the main course and is considered to be the heaviest of all French classical courses. A relève course is larger than entrée and could be carved. A sauce or a gravy with vegetables and potatoes can be served in the relève course. The cover for a relève course should have a joint plate, a large knife or a joint knife, and a joint fork. Some accompaniment examples which can be served with relève course. If it's a lamb, then it has to be served with mint sauce and red currant jelly. If it's mutton, then it has to be served with onion sauce or red currant jelly. If it's beef, then horseradish sauce, Yorkshire pudding, French and English mustard will be served. If it's pork, then applesauce, sage and onion stuffing has to be served. If there is any roast and grilled meat preparation, then it has to be served with watercress. Some of the pictures of roast meat preparation here. You can see here in this picture a chef carving the meat in the restaurant. So that's a carving trolley used. Alright, so the next course which we will study here is a roti or a roast. Roast, game and poultry are offered in this course. Game refers to animals or birds hunted for table purpose, whereas poultry refers to domestic birds. In the absence of a relève course in the menu, if roti is included, it will be considered as a main course. A cover for the roast and roti should include a joint plate, a joint knife, and a joint fork. A roast and a roti also has to be accompanied with a sauce or a gravy and vegetables. The next course is a legume course. A legume course is in the sequence to balance the meal menu, and it is basically accompaniment mostly for a meat course. Vegetables or legumes can be served either as a main course or can be served as a course, accompaniment course for the main course. The cover will depend on what are the vegetables which are served. The next course is a salad course. Salads are basically cold dish with some exceptions. All salads are dressed with suitable dressing depending on the nature of ingredient used in the preparation and the preference of the guest. Salads having fruits are dressed with cream dressing, whereas those having meat and fish are dressed with mayonnaise dressing in general. There are basically two types of salads as follows. Simple salad, the body of the salad is made up only with a few ingredients. Example, beetroot salad, egg salad, chicken salad, tomato salad, and so on. A composite or a compound salad will have body made with 2 or 3 different types of ingredients. Example, Russian salad, Waldorf salad, Caesar salad, mimosa salad, etc. Salad can be served as an appetizer, as a main course, as an accompaniment to the main course, or as a dessert course. If served as appetizer, cold half plate, a small knife and fork is used for a cover. For salads having fish as main ingredient, cold half plate with fish knife and fish fork is used as a cover. If salad is served as accompaniment to the main course, nothing is required as this will be served with the main course. So the main course equipment will be used as a cover. Students, there is a quiz planned about relève, roast, roti, legume and salads for you. So the description box will show you the link for the quiz. Kindly attempt the quiz.